order from Shopify, instantly the order details are added in my Google Sheets. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can create a live Shopify dashboard in Google Sheets under 5 minutes. And over here you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect to do this. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free, so click on this sign up for free if you want a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you get a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and then if you like Pabbly Connect after trying, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using my amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I will suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using an amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's see how to build this amazing automation. For that, this is the most important window. Without going into technical details, let's just see how this automation can be created without knowing any programming or coding language. You just have to open your workflow builder and click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, you have to search for Shopify V2 over here and select Shopify V2. Now for the event, select it as new order, click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL. So copy the webhook URL and open your Shopify store. From the left hand of the side, go on the settings, and then you have to go on the notifications from the left hand of the side only, and then towards this webhooks. Now you have to click on this create webhook button, select the event as order creation over here. For the format, keep it as JSON. For the URL, just paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. For the API version, select it as latest and click on this save button. Now you're going to see a webhook URL is added successfully over here. This means that we have created a connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Yes, when we add this webhook URL, this means the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect is created successfully. But it is still saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, we just have to purchase a product from our Shopify store. For that, I'm just going to open my online store, and over here I am just going to purchase a product. So let's say I'm just going to purchase this cord set. So I'm just going to open and go towards this buy it now. Now what I'm just going to do is let's just enter all of these details and purchase this amazing cord set. Over here I'm just going to enter the test details. As you can see, this is the testing instructions. For the approved transaction, I want to use one, so I'm just going to use one as the card number and click on this pay now. We have successfully purchased this cord set as demo user. So let me just open my workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. So I've just captured the test details over here. If you want, you can wait until you receive real data in real time. Otherwise, I'll suggest you create this automation with the test details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for a real leads too. As you can see, I've successfully received the details of all the order over here. You're going to see all the details of the order are captured, be the name, be the address, phone number, the product purchase, or the amount. Now I'm just going to add these details right over here in my spreadsheet. As you can see, it is already added because I have already created this automation and the workflow switched on. But I'm just going to let you know how you can also add. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, just select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add new connection and then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the helper which you want to build the connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so click on this allow. You can give Pabbly all the permissions. Your data is 100% secure with us, no need to worry. Now you just have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet and then enter the order details one by one. But here's a hack that you don't have to enter these details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details right over here. And in order to map these details, what we have to do is we have to put a slash, then search for the details which we wish to map. Okay, so like I want to map this product name, so I'm just going to map the same. For the quantity, I'm just going to put a slash, search for the quantity and map the quantity. For the total amount, I'm just going to put a slash, search for the total price, and I'm just going to map this total price right over here. Now for the status, I'm just going to enter it as manually because this will remain same for each new order created which is placed. Now I'm just going to click on the save and send test request button. button, you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets and the details are added. Now once my team just check the details and the order status is updated, they can directly update it right over here without going to multiple platforms. This is a live Shopify dashboard in Google Sheets. So like this, we have successfully created this amazing automation. Go and create this for your own Shopify store too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect and you can add up to 100 of order details for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Also the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. If you want this amazing sheet, you can just comment sheet and I'm just going to send you the template of the sheet, so you don't have to make the sheet also yourself. What you can do is you can simply get the template of this sheet, log in this sheet with your own account and connect this sheet, and automatically you can add the details right over here. Apart from that, if you require anything else or if you have any other doubts, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Me and my team are going to help you. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.